Louis Vuitton Traian bag is the latest design from the French fashion house. This bag looks like it can take you back to the 1980s and it's beautifully vintage. The semi-rigid construction, with leather trim and black leather crafted on the edges and front, linked with the newest S-lock that shines on the front. This bag Traian bag is also available with monogram canvas refinement on the body as well as a top handle and extra thin shoulder strap for crossbody and on the shoulder carry. For those that are interested, this bag is measured 8.3 x 7.1 x 4.3 inches and priced at $43.50. 5,450 Canadian dollars, 3,200 euros, pound GBP 29.90. Louis Vuitton boutiques. Inspired by the house's trunk-making legacy, Nicolas Ghesquière has created the adorable Traian PM handbag in monogram canvas. Its semi-rigid construction, S-lock, and wooden and leather trim clearly evoke Louis Vuitton's historic trunks. Traian bag. It has a single top handle for hand carry as well as a removable, adjustable leather strap for shoulder or crossbody carry. Detailed features: 8.3 by 7.1 by 4.3 inches. Monogram coated canvas. Calfskin leather and wood trim. Microfiber lining. Gold color hardware. S-lock. Strap removable. Adjustable. Strap drop, 20.1 inches. Strap drop max, 22.0 inches. Handle, single.